everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Now who did the now who they Zuzu, now who they Calavan.
Hello, my morning view. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys should take me for who I am. I just finished taking my shower a minute to go to bed now. It's late. Here is late now. Yes. I just see this news. I say no, other man never do my morning news. Let me just do it. This breaking news about Naira Marley and Mohbad. You know, you guys know Mohbad since he passed to glory to God. Yes, I don't know wherever he passed to, but I just put it like that. Since he passed on, many fingers they are pointing at Naira Marley. Many people in Instagram they will say go and unfollow Naira Marley. Many people say we should stop playing Naira Marley music just because they are accusing him that he have hand in Mohbad deaths. Also, okay, my people, according to this Mohbad, may he so rest in peace. I send my condolences to the full family. The news they had me to do, but when I go see where, because me I don't like when people go gather, not to as far as I don't see that thing for person hand. They won't not speak. Then let the government, let the investigation take place. That we are pointing finger. You know, I pray this our brother should not, see himself inside depression or I don't know. According to Naira Marley this evening, I see this news when Naira Marley talk, when he's right. Say breaking news, Mohbad and I, that's Naira Marley they talk now, Mohbad and I had misunderstanding. I hope you guys hear. He and Mohbad, yes, they have misunderstanding. But that's Naira Marley, never fight or attack him. He say him, the Naira Marley, when we know him put. He never fight Mohbad. He never fight Mohbad or he never attack Mohbad. I hope some of my Nigeria people now go take am from him so that no na let am still rest. This one they alive for us. The one wey don pass to glory, we dey mix am. This one we still can't see the stress am. We pray may anything not happen to am. No. Some things when people they do sometimes, if they go another way, go they attack person, they affect. If now they use the word of his mouth, they attack her. Now me, the Nigerian daughter, will not talk. But now they accuse her for waiting and not seeing hand. Now they accuse her with, they say, the thing get as they do me, my people. I'm sorry if you come across this my video. Anybody when they fight for Mohbad, I know say you they do bad, but this are when they are alive. They will not put her into depression. Please, do you know what it takes say that they accuse sparks when they live? Mostly you not do that thing. That they accuse you say that you buy that person when give up, when pass on to glory. That will they accuse you. Maybe that person they pay you say that person don't pass to glory, but people they accuse you say now you buy her. I don't know. I pray may get the mind, to fit receive those drag when my Nigeria they drag this man. I pray. He said, okay, now because Naira Marley says promise to assist. Naira Marley don't promise now to assist police to investigate waiting by Mohbad. Waiting by Mohbad. Person when they accuse say na it by Mohbad. Now he don't volunteer and he don't talk now say any investigation when our Koti police want do, if they need his attention, he dey there to bring all the information. He go join police find the death, the cause of Mohbad death. Wetin una think, my fellow Nigeria people? I hope you guys will leave this our brother alone now. Now wetin I say me I tell my beautiful people. I don't want to make this video too long. You guys accept her for Naira Marley or now still they see the drag on our brother. For me, I go beg my fellow youths, my fellow Nigeria, my fellow mommies, daddies, auntie, brothers, wherever you are. If you dey vex for this our brother Naira Marley, please, first of all, hold on. Now he don't still speak. He saying go join police, fight, bring all the evidence they go need for him. He go bring and come out, but he never fight Mohbad. People when they say Naira Marley they attack Mohbad, Naira Marley they beat Mohbad. I hope now here now say he never fight him, but they get misunderstanding. he no dey attack him. Okay, my people, I hope una here for that one, for Naira Marley. Now, the news wey reach my table now, this evening. Our governor, Edo governor, Governor Obaseki, he don reply Shaibu. Shaibu, he apologized to Edo deputy. Maybe now see the video when Shaibu take apologize to our Edo governor. May he forgive him for everything when he do. May he forgive him. He like as two of them take dey play before. May they start to dey play again. Then our governor reply his deputy now. Wetin take reply the deputy? I hope una dey read am for there. Our Edo governor, he say make Shaibu, the contest when they contest as a governor, may drop the contest, may drop, may not contest as a governor. Then before he go forgive am. Without that, he no forgive am as a power. You see, according to Obaseki, ask Deputy Shaibu to drop him governorship ambition before accepting apology. My people, power. But when you collect your, or not have sign made Shaibu, take any form. Everybody, you are adults. Everybody know what they want. Everybody know you try your luck. If you don't win, then you go out. Normal, this governor things when he want back on so. At least they must vote. You leaders must vote. Everybody must vote before they will not bring it to Nigeria. PDP will bring out, APC go bring out, LOP go bring out, at least other party go bring out. But inside one party, you guys must vote, then conclude to bring one person out. As a governor, for me, I don't really see anything there. You are not God. When somebody apologizes to you, if you don't want to forgive, you tell him you don't want to forgive. Not telling adults to withdraw what he wants. Wetin he want, they tell am make he withdraw. I don't understand, my people. If you no want forgive am, then tell am you no forgive am. Not you they tell am you not be anybody. Governor Obaseki, I'm sorry if I offend anybody, but let's tell ourselves the truth. It's just like this thing is hungry me. Not the Philip Shaibu go who fit win the governorship at all. For me, I know say enough even near governorship, but for Obaseki to tell him before I forgive you, go and drop. That one is too wrong. It's too harsh. Which kind of power be this, my people? It's too harsh. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Leave him. Let him go and try his luck. If you want to forgive him, forgive him. If you don't want to forgive him, then leave him. Let him try luck. For me, all those kind, I don't know how to put it, and I don't want to use harsh word. I don't want to use harsh words. Our governor. Now go there, go work. Now they fight. Okay, your deputy now can realize, okay, let me apologize to my governor. Very soon now they will kick us out. Let's work as family. Let's work together. You are telling him just because the person you bring out, and you bring somebody out. Remember, somebody bring you out. You want to still bring somebody out. You see? Now you want everybody, people around you to support you. And the person, your deputy say, no, me, I want to rule governor because the seat is sweeting you guys now. Now, let una dey there. You, the governor, you don't even have right to bring anybody come out. Let the state, let the youth bring somebody. Edo youth, you guys should come together. Youth and elderly, those are the people who hold country. Youth, elderly people. Those are the two people who host country, who host states. If youth can come together, choose one and bring it out, and you guys come together and vote. In fact, I prefer it than those our baba choosing somebody. I know our youth, they can't, because this one will say I want to be there, this one will say I want to, they will not step down, come together. My people, I wish our Edo peaceful land. Yes, I wish them good luck. Me, I don't want fight. I don't want today. This one, but this, no, I don't want. But for you to dey control adults just because he apologized to you, you want to take the apology like, who are you? You don't have right to who choose. No be like choose you. Wetin we see? We don't see anything. For me, if I vote in Nigeria, person when you bring come out, I will not vote for that person. I tell you. I will not vote. Whether our youth come together, we vote together, we run mind together, then we vote good than PDP, APC. For me, I don't know. I don't see because it's one that they rule the Edo. Now so fight and go fight, come out for there. Time of Oshomole, na fight. After Oshomole put you there, you and Oshomole fight. You want still bring another person come now. Maybe you and the person now will still fight again. No. Let people come out. Let people inside the party volunteer. This one now I want to serve my land. I want to serve my mother's land. You know, then it good. People will vote for them. Not be said now you go point the people. If Philip Shaibu want contest, he beg you leave your business for him. All of them now they use our party till they do business. All of them are business now they do. Just because you want Philip Shaibu to go for, you know, House of Rep, House of Assembly, be Senate, and he don't go there. Osho Baba dey there. He say na governor wan go for. Now those still cause issue now. Everything dey online, everything dey, you know, but I no wan go dey go deep. But as far as say he apologize to you, accept his apology than you dey give her. You dey give van. No. You are not God, though. I beg. Let's take it easy. Please, let's take it easy. My people, let me end it like this. I hope you guys hear from the both side, the both news when I bring come out today. Naira Marley don't speak out. Let's give our brother rest. May our brother rest. Mohbad, when he don't die, may his soul rest in peace. May God bring the person. Anybody when get hand put, may God bring them out. May God expose them. As government, they are doing their investigation. May God expose everybody who have hand. Because to short person life, e no good. See young guy who they struggle, they crack head, want sing. Just be like people in the create content. Music is like that. You need to crack your head. You need to, anything that come out your mouth, you know, a content creator, before you get tight, you need to crack your head, you need to do research. The same thing for musician. Musician, they need to do research, they need to look for music. At the end, you guys don't allow the guy to enjoy his life. They just clear him for road. Except night death, night killer. But if not be death, somebody get hand inside. That person, I will not wish you bad though. Say you go and meet him. You already know where you are going. Nobody will, live in this earth forever. Nobody. Why are we disturbing ourselves? Why are we hating ourselves? Why are we having ourselves? Everything you get in this earth, no one will follow you home. Everything you get on this earth, no one that will bury you with. The naked you come, the naked you go. Forget those clothes they used to wrap. Nothing. No one is following you. Before many days, the person will box, turn to sand. You come with sand and you are going with sand. Why are we disturbing ourselves? If there is real person, somebody have hand in Mohbad death, God will vindicate that person out. Let's leave our brother Naira Marley. Let's show him love. Let's show him love. This is what I need to talk. Give this video a thumbs up. All my money view, I appreciate every one of you. Thank you all. I'm very tired. Let me go and rest. See, I meet you now in my next video. Now who they zuzu, now who they area. Me not tell our dog governor, make they respect themselves. May not tell them. Say you to the verse. You to the verse. Edo governor, take it easy.
We don't cast. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.